Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to unlock Facebook profile by very easiest method. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly open the Facebook application. So after this you can see three lines on the top right corner. So just click on it and then click on setting and privacy. So after this you can see setting options, so just click on it and then scroll down the page, and here you can see profile locking option, so just click on it and then click on unlock options. So after this confirm to unlock your profile. So here wait some second and you can see you unlock your profile. So then click on OK. So guys, you can see my Facebook profile has been unlocked. So guys, in this way you can unlock your Facebook profile. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.